Hi class, it's me, your math teacher Jello. For today's video, let's continue our discussion about one-to-one functions. Okay, so let's define what is a horizontal line test. A function is one-to-one if each horizontal line does not intersect, take note of that. Okay, does not intersect the graph at more than one point. Okay. So guys, kung mapapansin natin dito, based on the graph, okay, yung blue one, yung f of x, yan yung function natin. And then yung red mark, which is the horizontal line test. Okay? And based sa graph natin, makikita naman natin na it only intersect at one point. Okay? So meaning this is a one-to-one function. Okay, so it only intersect at one point. So guys, ito yun. Okay, so note, all functions satisfy the vertical line test. So guys, kung gagamit naman tayo ng vertical line test, okay? So guys, ito yun. We all know that na function ito. So say for example, ito. Ayan. It only intersect at one point pa rin. So ito yun guys. Gets? Okay. And all one-to-one functions, take note of that, all one-to-one functions satisfy both the vertical and horizontal line test. So guys, kung mapapansin naman natin dito sa given graph, nagsatisfy yung horizontal and vertical line test natin. Okay? So now, let's have examples. Determine whether the given graph is a one-to-one function or not. Okay, so using horizontal line test. Okay, horizontal. So guys, kahit saan dyan. So po pwede natin gamitin. Pwedeng dito. Yan. For as long as na meron tayong graph doon. So let's see. So, makikita naman natin it only intersect at one point. So therefore, this is a very good one-to-one function. Gets? So one-to-one function. Next, number 2. Okay. So, kahit dito tayo maglagay, okay, sa side na to, using horizontal line test, it only intersect at one point pa rin. So, guys, ito yon. Yung tinitignan natin dito ay yung intersection ng graph and using horizontal line test, which is a point. So, ito yon guys. So, therefore, this is also a one-to-one function. Okay? Next, for number 3. So guys, kung mapapansin natin using horizontal line test. Ayan. So, ito yon. Okay. Meron tayong two intersections. Right? Ito yun guys. Ito, tsaka to. So, it fails the definition. Sabi natin sa definition, horizontal line does not intersect the graph at more than one point. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, nagkaroon tayo ng 2 points of intersection dito. So, guys, ito yon. Ayan. So, meaning, ito ay not, okay, not one-to-one function. Gets? Okay, so let me write. So, not one-to-one function. Okay? Pero guys, yung number 3, itong quadratic function, using vertical line test, so, function naman siya, right? Okay? Pero, using horizontal line test, nag-fail yung definition natin. Okay? And yung number 1, number 2, yon ay nasatisfy nyo yung parehas na vertical and horizontal line test. So, meaning yun, Sabi natin dito, all one-to-one functions satisfy both the vertical and horizontal line test. Gets? Okay. And for the last one, okay, kindly comment your answer. Okay? So, kung meron kayong natutunan sa video ito, kindly like and share. Thank you for watching.